Hello world, welcome back to another video, another journey and another beautiful day. We are still riding along the sides of River Sutlej heading to Chitkul from Rampur. The time is around 10 am but the scorching sun made it feel like it was already mid-noon.
Let's go.
Smooth roads and tall trees along the sides of this beautiful river Sutlej and the clear blue skies is something to really gaze upon. We did have in mind to stop for some amazing snaps on this route to Chitkul, and I was lucky enough to spot this amazing location. And with no second thoughts, all we did was stop and head there.
Let's go.
Little did I know on what else was in store for us today. And if you'd like to know what I'm talking about, then stay tuned and enjoy the surprises.
Let's go.
The twisty roads and increasing altitude that we were enjoying took us to equally challenging paths like these with just water and rocks. As we continued our journey, I came across this freshly cleared landslide where only one bus could pass through at a time. Unfortunately, this wasn't the only landslide that we had to encounter today.
Let's go. go.
Every corner that we took had its own mystery, and the sight of this waterfall made me dream. But then, was that it? The answer is no. There were more. While we were following our dreams, here was a diamond tied to a rock sitting at the edge of the road.
Let's go.
To cover a distance of only about 127 kilometers did not feel like much when we started. And because of that, we stopped at almost all places we could to make some amazing memories.
Let's go. Go.
Here is a stretch of road with carved mountains one would never forget after you ride through.
Let's go. Go.
After passing through these beautifully carved mountains, we reached Sungara. And here was a long queue waiting for a landslide to be cleared. Thankfully, with our motorcycles, we were able to filter through to the front and waited for the next 30 minutes. Luckily, our side of the line was let to pass through first, and this is what the other side looked like waiting for the past 1 hour. The time is around 4 pm and the weather once again started showing signs of rain. The road is wide out again, which made us cover more distance in lesser time compared to what we had covered in the morning. I must mention that riding from top of the mountain and now reaching to its bottom did have its perks in temperature. Even after seeing rain clouds ahead of us, we decided to keep pushing along this path to our next checkpoint, which is Tapri.
Let's go.
This is Echo signing off, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. See you on the next one. Until then, cheers.